How to convert a nested Python dict to object? I'm searching for an elegant way to get data using attribute access on a dict with some nested dicts and lists, i.e. JavaScript-style object syntax. For example, should be accessible in this way. I think this is not possible without recursion, but what would be a nice way to get an object style for dicts?
Update: in Python 2.6 and onwards, consider whether the named tuple data structure suits your needs. The alternative, original answer contents, is then you can use
Surprisingly, no one has mentioned bunch. This library is exclusively meant to provide attribute-style access to dict objects and does exactly what the op wants. A demonstration. A Python 3 library is available at this URL. Credit goes to Kadazu.
Then add recursion to this and you're done. Edit: this is how I'd implement it.